Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about the question word where asks about places and locations. This is one of the most important question words for beginners. The word where helps us find out locations. We use where when we want to know where something or someone is located. Where questions always expect a place as the answer, not yes or no. Where asks about places and locations. Use where to find out where something is or where something happens. The answers to where questions always give us a location like a city, street, room, or building. Here are common where questions. Where do you live? Where is the nearest coffee shop? Where did you go on your last vacation? Where can I find a gas station? Where was the movie filmed? These are everyday questions people ask. Where do you live? The answer is I live in New York. Where is the school? The answer is it is on Main Street. Notice the pattern. Where plus a helping verb like do or is, then the subject. The answer always gives a place. Where are you from? The answer is I am from Canada. Where does she work? The answer is she works at the hospital. Remember, where always asks for locations. Use do, does, or is depending on the subject and tense. Where is the bathroom? The answer is it is down the hall. Where will the party be? The answer is at my house. These are practical questions for daily life. Practice them to sound natural in English conversations. Where asks about places and locations, position of things, and where events happen. Common patterns are where plus do, does, or did. Also where plus be verbs like is, are, was, and where plus can or will. Now you know how to use where correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.